The Statue of Liberty is one of the most iconic monument or statue which is built in history. Over millions of people around the globe come to New York to visit the Statue of Liberty. So, in this video, I would be telling you some of the most amazing facts, mysteries, which is really very amazing and we cannot even figure out how is that even possible. So, without any further ado, let's begin. So, fact number one of Statue of Liberty is Lady Liberty was first built in France. I was really shocked and amazed after seeing this fact, but guys, it's the reality and we have to accept it. The Statue of Liberty was first built in France. The French government were unable to afford the statue to be placed in one of the cities. So they decided to give the Americans the Statue of Liberty during the period of American Revolution. So guys, as you know, this is one of the most amazing and puzzling facts I have ever read in my life. So, fact number two is Gustav Eiffel helped in the architecturing of the Statue of Liberty. Most of the people might be aware that Eiffel Tower was built by Gustav Eiffel. He played a major role in the foundation of the base of the Statue of Liberty. So, no base, no statue. So, huge hats off for Gustav Eiffel. So, was Statue of Liberty a lighthouse? Man, I was really very amazed after reading this fact. But guys, let's check out what the fact it is. Actually, first the Statue of Liberty was serving as a lighthouse for the New York harbor. Then, because of few reasons like dim lighting and etc., it was being considered as a monument. So, other fact is the Statue of Liberty was first to be built in Egypt. I was really very confused and puzzled by reading this fact, but guys, it's the reality. The statue was first to be placed in Egypt. A woman in the southern opening of canal holding up a torch and dressed in an Egyptian garb. As the ruler of Egypt was corrupted, he demolished the design, while Bartholdi, one of the French most famous designer, recreated the same statue and recreated a new design, the Statue of Liberty we can see now in New York. Was Lady Liberty actually painted in green? Okay guys, most of the students might be aware of this fact, but if you're not, let me just tell you. The statue was made up of copper, okay? So it was reddish brown in color. But because of oxidation, the process in which metals react with oxygen, which result in corrosion. In 1988, the statue completely turned into bluish green, the color which we can see right now in New York. How the statue was transported from France to New York. Okay, the French ship Israel transported this gigantic statue from France to New York in 1885. As the statue was really very huge, it was being transported into pieces which was then joined together by the Americans. So guys, I have a pretty amazing proof for you for this fact. So let me just bring out it. So guys, you might be really very confused and puzzled by reading this fact that how could Statue of Liberty might be transported into small pieces in a ship. But here is the proof. As you can see here, the arms of the Statue of Liberty have some crease in it. So this can tell you a proof that Statue of Liberty was really being transported into small pieces. So guys, here was the most amazing, mind-blowing mysteries or the facts of Statue of Liberty. Hey, if you like this video, then give this video a like and consider subscribe my channel, and please do share it with your friends, and see you guys next time. Till then, tata and bye bye.